Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Translator on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open the Translator app on your iPhone, then select Continue. Now, if you want to share your audio recordings with Siri, just select Share Audio Recordings. Otherwise, you can select Note Now. Now on this page, just select Conversations. Now from here, just select your language. For an example, I will select English. And in this section, just select the language of the other person. For an example, I will select this one. Now in this mode, if you tap on the microphone icon, and it will automatically translate the language to the other selected language. For an example, hi. As you can see, it has translated it to the other language. And if you tap on the play button,
على سبيل المثال مرحبا.
you can play the translation. Now if you tap on view, you can change the view of the screen. Now as you can see, it is currently on side by side, but you can select face to face if you prefer this view. And if you tap on the arrow icon over here, you can switch between the places of the language. And this is how you can use Translator on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.